Hello, this is a second trough on my windowsill, my propagating trough. This is a trough that I use to house the mother plants that I'm going to reproduce from. I'll just run through what I've got here. Here I've got my Phalaenopsis orchid. This is the orchid that I've had for many years, and it's flowered every year since I've had it. And I've done a video on that a couple of months ago. These here are Pennistemen cuttings. Pennistemen's a lovely cottage garden plant, and you cut them off at a node, you rip the leaves off, and you leave about 3 or 4 leaves back on it, and you put it into the ground, put it into a compost soil in a pot, and leave it for a few weeks and it should root. This is Sempervivum Heinrich. As you can see, it's got lovely black spikes on the leaves. As you can see here, this particular mother is producing a lot of chicks. I'll leave it for now, and once the chicks are a little bit bigger, they'll be ready to take cuttings from. And all you do, you can see this big stem here, all you do is just nip it off with a knife and just cut it, leaving a tiny little bit here, and try and cut it as close as you can to the mother plant. And that's one way of doing cuttings from Sempervivum. This is another Sempervivum plant that I got as a present. It's a lovely full green Sempervivum. This is the fire red Sempervivum. I did a video about the cuttings that I've done, and as you can see, this is a beautiful plant, lovely red colour on it, and it's got loads and loads of little chicks. Sempervivums are also called hen and chicks, so that's just another name for them, but they are absolutely stunning. And do you remember the cotton head Sempervivum? Well, this is the mother plant of those Sempervivum cuttings, and as you can see, in the base of it and the leaves and on the points, you've got these cotton filaments, and they produce sort of this very spiderwebbery sort of feel to it and look. And this one has actually gave out a little baby, which is lovely. This one, I think, is actually beginning to root itself. I'll just zoom in for you. But do you see you've got the main stem here, and off the stem you've got all sorts of roots coming off it. And if you do leave the baby Sempervivums to grow up a little bit bigger, and you've got a big enough pot, they will root with the mother. So you don't have to take the cuttings off, but you can if you want, but I've just left this one on. This here is the dwarf pelargonium. Dwarf pelargoniums grow to about this sort of size. Not not big plants really, not these dwarf ones, and lovely yellowing of the leaves. And this variety is called, this cultivar actually is called Majorca. It's a lovely little cultivar, and it produces lovely semi-double pink flowers. It's an amazing plant. Moving on, we've got another Sempervivum, and that Sempervivum is just a plain green Sempervivum with a red outer lay. As you can, I don't know if you can see, but the red outer lay is just along the boundary, and that is really pretty. So yeah, that's that's my second trough done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I look forward to doing loads more gardening videos, and please don't forget to rate, subscribe and comment below. Thank you, bye bye.